In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect emails on Shopify. Building an email list is one of the most powerful things you can do for your online store. It lets you stay in touch with visitors, send promotions, and turn one-time shoppers into loyal customers. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to add an email sign-up section directly in your Shopify theme so that people can easily subscribe while browsing your site. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and then head over to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main control center where you manage products, orders, and your online store's appearance. We'll be working from here for the entire process. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the menu and click on Online Store. This is where you control what your customers see when they visit your website. When you open the online store section, you'll see your current theme listed, which is the design template your site is using. Next, under the theme you're using, look for the option to edit it. This is usually labeled as Customize or Edit Theme. Go ahead and click that. This will open the theme editor, where you can visually adjust the layout and content of your store without touching any code. Once the theme editor loads, you'll see a preview of your store on the right and a list of sections on the left. Scroll down through that left-hand column until you find the footer section, which is typically at the bottom of the list. The footer is a great place for an email sign-up because it appears on every page of your site. Under the footer section, click on the option to add a section. A panel will open with different types of content you can add. From that list, select email sign-up. Shopify will then insert a new email sign-up block into your footer. Now you can edit this section to match your brand. Update the heading, subheading, and any descriptive text to explain why visitors should subscribe. For example, you might mention discounts, new product updates, or exclusive content. You can also adjust design options like alignment or background, depending on your theme's settings. Take a moment to make it look consistent with the rest of your store. When you're happy with how everything looks, don't forget the most important part. Click Save in the top right corner of the editor. This publishes your email sign-up section to your live site so visitors can start subscribing.